Hi guys, my name is Charlie, and in today's video, I'll be doing an update on AutoFarm, a yield farming aggregator and also a DEX aggregator as well. But before I go into the updates of AutoFarm, I would like to share with you that currently we are having this giveaway contest for our crypto starter pack that consists a copy of our book Crypto Assets for Passive Income, an online video course, and the $20 worth of Bitcoin. If you are new to crypto or have been struggling to identify hidden gems in the crypto space, this book and the learning materials will help you in identifying these hidden gems. To participate in it, the links are in the description box down below. If you are new to our channel, do subscribe and hit the notification bell button for more videos such as this, as well as join our social channels such as our Telegram group for more in-depth conversation and discussion. Without further ado, let's get started. Currently, we are at the AutoFarm main application. Before we look at what are the new updates here, let us go to their blog or their documentation. Right now, we are at the documentation which is showing their roadmap. Let us track their progress so far. Recently, I also have covered AutoFarm project much more in depth in my previous video. If you want to know more about AutoFarm and what it does, please take a look at my previous video for more information. For today, we will just be looking at the new updates they are adding to their platform so that you can take advantage of it if you have missed out. And if we look at their roadmap, currently we are in the month of April. They have already launched their Heco automated yield aggregator or the Heco chain, revamped their UI, and of course they have launched an alpha version of their BSC DEX aggregator, which is under AutoSwap here. This is their new feature. AutoSwap is a decentralized aggregator on Binance Smart Chain and going on to other chains in the coming weeks. And if you use this AutoSwap, you are able to find the best price and swap rates when making your exchanges in the DeFi space. The advantages of what AutoSwap brings is convenience, the lowest slippage, the intelligent routing algorithm, and better swap rates than using the DEX directly, and no additional fees for using this AutoSwap. And some of the current DEXs that is supported is this PancakeSwap, BakerySwap, and JewSwap. And I'm sure that they will be adding more of these DEXs in weeks and months to come. Next will be their fees. So if we go to their fees, you will see that they have some slight updates to their fees on both the BSC vaults and Heco vaults as compared to last month. Just go through it and be aware of the new fee structure. And recently, AutoFarm has added a large number of new farms or vaults to their feature. So you can see that they have added a lot of these farms here from different platforms. So you have your Venus, your MDEX, your BZX, PancakeSwap, and others as well. You have more selection or more farming opportunities for your BSC projects as well as your Heco projects. If you go to their Medium article, you can read up more information about it. In this case, let's go to this one, new vaults. This is about 10 days ago. They have added new vaults for all these platforms that you can perform your yield farming and all these pairs here, which is definitely very exciting, and you have higher yields where AutoFarm helps you to auto-compound your returns. And you have your MDEX and BZX, so these are the new changes here. And this is just 2 days ago. New vaults for MDEX. Definitely exciting for this Heco, for the Heco network or the Huobi Eco Chain network. This is something that I would like to see more. The revised fee structure for the Heco vaults. The links to all these articles I'll be putting down in the description box down below for you to go through it. And up next, we will go to the main application. So this is a BSC network here. And if you want to identify the new vaults or the new farms, you will just see the new tag here. So you know that these are all the new farms that is being added recently. And this is their APY. For me personally, because I do hold some of these BNB and other single tokens, this presents a lot more opportunities for me to perform this single token U farming. And like, for example, I look at this BNB, IBNB, so you can see that it is at 33.1% APY. And if I look at the breakdown, the farm APY is 29.6%, which is, to me, I think it's one of the highest returns for your BNB on this single token U farming. In order to perform U farming on this AutoFarm, you need to obtain IBNB tokens. And in order to get IBNB tokens, you need to go to their, in this case, this BZX. You need to go to their application, which is called Fulcrum. And you need to deposit your IBNB tokens. You need to know what BZX is doing. You need to understand their project before you commit your crypto assets to it. That is one of the things that you need to look out for. MDEX, which recently has a cross-chain into BSC as well, so they have their own farms here. You can see that the APY is over 1000% for some of its farm pools. Also very attractive returns here. I mentioned, as always, for any DeFi projects like the BZX or this MDEX, you will need to understand these projects first before committing your crypto assets to their platform and then perform the U farming here. And if we switch on to the Heco network, let's click switch to Heco. And if you are interacting using MetaMask, they will prompt you this message. You just switch network to Heco. And same thing, this is the part where you have crypto assets on the Heco chain network where you can perform your U farming. In this case, you see that there is only one single token U farming and the rest are LP farmings. And the APY is all stated here, except that for under the Heco chain, as of right now, there is no auto tokens to be farmed. You can see it is 0%. It's just purely farming for all these LP tokens or the MDEX tokens itself. In terms of this return, this is their vaults. And if we go to swap, so this is their swap feature that I've just mentioned earlier, where it is this aggregated swap using routes through different decentralized exchanges for this efficient swapping and lower fees. So you can toggle here and perform your swap here. But of course, they have this warning here. It's a alpha stage, so use it at your own risk. They also have added another one, this thing called dashboard, where they have another application which is called Farmfolio, where it helps you to track your investments and your U farming activities on the Binance Smart Chain itself. So they have this application which they have acquired some months ago, I believe, and they can track your transactions on your wallet and provide data here, which is quite useful. And I will be covering this Farmfolio in my future videos, so do look out for it. This is a quick update to what AutoFarm is doing right now. With all these new vaults that is featured on this AutoFarm, if you are holding these BSC project tokens or Heco project tokens and you want to maximize your returns, you will want to come to look at this AutoFarm and look at these new farms here. Just do your portfolio allocation and U farming strategies. With that, I hope you have enjoyed today's content. Please drop a like and leave a comment in the box down below, and subscribe to our channel if you are new, and do join our social channels like our Telegram channel for more in-depth discussion. And also not forgetting that we are having this giveaway contest whereby you can just participate in. The links are in the description box down below. I thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.